Hey guys, it's Sarah and you guys are watching the Math Corner. In this video, we will learn to solve various circle problems, focusing on finding areas. Keep in mind that this video is an extension for my previous Math Corner video, so if you guys want to know more about the basics, parts of a circle, and the formulas to finding the perimeter as well as the area of a circle, then check out the last Math Corner video. And keep a lookout for the next Math Corner video where I will be explaining to you guys all you need to know about pi. But for now, let's get on to some problem solving. First up, quadrant. A quadrant is a quarter of a circle. For all the problems showed in this video, we will be repeating the same first step, which is finding the area to a whole circle. The formula for this is pi times radius squared, or in other words, 3.14 times 4 squared, because the radius is 4 centimeters. And by doing this, you will have the answer, which is 50.24 centimeters squared. Now that we know the area of a whole circle, time to look for the area of the actual quadrant. Since a quadrant is a quarter of a circle, all you need to do is divide 50.24 into 4, and you will have 12.56 centimeters squared. Next up, a semicircle. As you can see, a semicircle is half of a circle. So first up, the same thing, you will need to find the area of the whole circle. So pi times radius squared, or 3.14 times 25 squared, because the radius is 25 millimeters, and you will have the answer, which is 1,963.50 millimeters squared. Now that we know the area of a whole circle, you just need to divide it in half, and you will have the answer, which is 981.25 millimeters squared. Third problem, 3/4 of a circle. Same thing, we will look for the area of the whole circle. So, since the radius is 3 centimeters, it is 3.14 times 3 squared, and you will have 28.26 centimeters squared. To find the area of the 3/4, you will need to do 3/4 times 28.26, and the answer you will get is 21.20 centimeters squared. Easy, right? Now, to the extension. It's time to challenge yourself and test your limit. This shape is a composite shape, which means it contains two or more shapes. The first shape is S1, a rectangle, and the second is S2, a semicircle. To find the area of the entire shape itself, you will need to divide it into a rectangle and a semicircle and find the area of each shape. So first up, S1, or the rectangle. The formula to finding the area of a rectangle is A times B, or length times width. So you will need to multiply 14 by 6, and you will have 84 centimeters squared, and that's the area for the rectangle. We will now look for the area of S2, the semicircle. Since it is a semicircle, it will be the area for this will be half of the area of a whole circle. So is 1/2 times pi times radius squared. The radius for this one is 7. And how do we know that? Well, if you look carefully, 14 is the length of the rectangle, but it is also the diameter of the circle. And since the radius is half the diameter, it is 14 divided by 2. So if you follow the formula throughout carefully, you will have the answer, which is 76.93 centimeters squared. Now that we know the area of both S1 and S2, it's time to add them up. So 76.93 plus 84. You will have the answer, which is 160.93 centimeters squared. So the area of the whole shape is 160.93 centimeters squared. Was it easy? If you found this helpful, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and smash the subscribe button. See you next time!